Yeah, I gotta keep it trendy on my soul. I'm the most selfish person that I know. Here we go, down the rabbit hole. Got a couple carrots round my neck. Self-respect, when you out of line, you put yourself in check. They don't hear me, they don't hear me though. Cycles going round and round and round like the merry-go. Stand for truth, or fall for any old scenario. That's why I keep my circle smaller than a Cheerio. Cause it's the company you...
We're about to go slide around. Well, we're gonna go look for a spot. So it is Wednesday night. It's about 1 in the morning, 1:12. Damn, bro, this is why you can't. God.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to cut that whole thing out. We're gonna go drive around, see if we see something. I don't know. I don't really go out much at night. Not too much, rarely. But then again, trying to get some content for you. So we're gonna go cruise around. We might get some little random just but yeah, we'll see. Let's see where the road takes us. Huh? They say that where you see a tow truck, there's a cop around. Where you see smoke, there's fire. There's a Hellcat.
Oh shit.
Well, we didn't find nothing. There's cops everywhere.
Hell yeah.
I literally had a cop behind me for like 2 lights.
Oh shit. That cracked my back. For real, you know. I'm like, oh fuck.
Look at there.
You know, remember I'm on stock seat.
Yo, that was crazy, bro. Woo, that was crazy. Oh, look, we can get a little one right here.
Damn.
Those are my favorite. Going under the freeway, it's loud because it echoes.
Está la policía. gonna do?
What you gonna do when they come for you? Nobody's on this home. Police not in it all day. Well, nobody knows that song. Thank you for tuning in to today's episode.